Bees on opening week in California. It takes time to get there, so we stop by to refuel before heading to Mendocino National Forest. We set up camp before nightfall and gather to plan for early morning hike and hunt. Early morning, we split into two groups. Group A was the larger group, where they had to cover more ground. There was only 3 guys in Group B. Clouds covered part of the sky. It had a few drops of rain before the sunrise. Group B spotted a buck at 680 yards. We were ready to shoot. Sai, 또. 저거干了，早上死了。没得看。到下咗。我得嘅，得看。你做嘅。OK，得看嘛，下咗啦。不要。
当你多了一种那点了，你别这么吵，你见个推下。我也不讲本农呢，多么这点。
At the same time, Group A shot a buck and was ready to go tag their trophy.
Tỏ một lại đó, lại là một lại, rồi lại ở trong một của cha đó.
OK，姑婆。
杀了。杀了 ！Shit！
还不急，还看上视频。
睇上視。
睇play咯。
睇play，就是殺啊！到，要上，到，play。啱啲。要好招呼，副好招呼，可是。哦呦，好哎，是好多。
我是拍呀。
左殺了，左右。
我個路哎。哦，沒有。
山更高，路走人家给路，农家得走这路，这单道路趟，但步都用来讲，没讲来讲，路了他喊路了，那么也终于路了，那不中。走爬更喽，我叫山去山，
去收了，向后飞去，向后飞去，飞去，向后飞去，去找啊，不是。
Seemed like there's no wind, but when the shot went off, there was a little breeze in the air going from left to right of us. Looking back into the video, the second buck followed the first buck after the first missed shot. We were too focused on the other buck and didn't see it. It was a costly mistake.
乐单到是了。我也没去叫没那个都会烧，松掉嘛，有去松啊，
The best part of hunting with these joint brothers are the story around the campfire. No one story are alike from those three guys on that mountaintop that morning. Every hunt will not always be a successful hunt, but the best part was that we all have a story to tell, successful or not. These are the times that we will never get back, but we all can look back and remember it like it was yesterday.